Hi, this is your BGS Michael, and today I brought you the stud cleaning brush set from BGS Technique. With this cleaning kit you can easily clean wheel bolts and stud bolts around the vehicle. We now take a look at the vehicle, how it works. Now let's have a closer look at the cleaning brush from BGS Technique. This sensational cleaning brush set from BGS Technique includes 5 attachments. With these 5 attachments you can effortlessly free rust studs in the thickness of 12 to 22 millimeters. I'll show you now how it works. You see, removing rust is so easy with the brush attachment from BGS Technique.